Hey, amazing teachers! You know the drill. You're pouring your soul into teaching the subjunctive, and the three kids are Snapchatting their forehead filters like it's the Super Bowl. Enter phone jail. All you need is a cheap basket, label it phone jail, and boom, you've got instant classroom management decor. Place it somewhere visible so students know exactly where their phones go. It's hilarious, it's dramatic, and best of all, it actually works. Suddenly, you're not competing with TikTok for attention, you're winning. Here's a trick to make it stick. You can't just slap down a basket once and expect miracles. Consistency is everything. Day one, tell your students if your phone is distracting you or me, it's going to the phone jail. Then actually follow through. For example, when Jacob just checks the time, aka scrolls memes, don't argue. Just hold out your hand, drop the phone in the basket, and keep teaching. The less you make it a big deal, the less drama you invite. The basket does the heavy lifting. You just enforce it. And bonus points if you make it fun. Print a silly sign, phone jail, no calls, no bail, no TikTok. Or let students decorate the basket with prison bars and emoji stickers. You'll get to buy in because it's funny, not punitive. The magic is in keeping it light but firm. Phones go in, learning goes on. Want more easy wins like this that actually work? Grab the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish. Think of it as teacher survival gear minus the duct tape and caffeine IV. Get it at mm.us/kit.